Aloha mai kako, Aaron Mahi here again for another one, our third week here with us at Partners in Development Foundation in the Huaʻōlelo o Malama, Hawaiian words of the month of December, this being also makali'i. This week's word is Maopopo Pono, which is understanding, comprehension with perception. From the ancient prayer passed down to us by David Malo, we have this part of the prayer. E ho mai ka ike, grant us knowledge. E ho mai ka ikaika, grant us strength. E ho mai ka akamai, grant us intelligence. E ho mai ka maopopo pono, grant us understanding. E ho mai ka ike papalua, grant us discernment or insight. E ho mai ka mana, grant us empowerment. We hope you enjoy these words here and sharing with you our wonderful Hawaiian language. Iola i ka ʻōlelo Hawaii from Partners in Development Foundation. Aloha.